We would love you to come and join us in sunny Cornwall. We're hoping it's going to be sunny. Of course, it's going to be sunny. It's sunny now. It's going to continue to be sunny for a 3-day retreat on breath and voice. Now, if you're somebody that struggles to be listened to be heard, to speak up in meetings, either in work or socially, then we are going to help you. And Bridget's going to tell you how she's going to be involved and how she's going to help you succeed and be more confident with the breath.
So my part of this wonderful retreat that we've fused all our skills together is going to be about how you use breath for well-being. So how you use the tool to keep your stress under control and to mitigate your stress, whether that means before you're speaking or just in your everyday life. I'll also be running daily yoga classes in the morning so that we can stretch and release any tension. And also we'll be doing a little breath walk along the coast, which is a fabulous combination of walking and a breathing technique. So come and join us. Jimmy and I, we're all about the breath. And we want you to come and join us for 3 days in Cornwall at the end of May. It will be great fun.
Yeah. Woo!
Right. Woo! Yeah.